Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 6th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So the US dollar yen did keep on drifting down. Like I said this morning, more than likely this is a complete ABC correction on the higher time frames, like the 4 hour. We definitely made three waves up to the Fibonacci level. Definitely a nice break of structure to the downside. So if that's true, then it should at least take out these previous lows, which means that more than likely, if it does push up, that it will end up making a lower high, and just keep on trending down. I definitely think I would recommend looking for shorts unless this lower low, lower high series gets broken. Not just like a little insignificant break either, but like a significant break of structure to the upside is the only thing that would really turn me back into a buyer. I think this up here is likely the end of a correction on like the 4 hour time frame, which means that it will likely eventually take out these previous lows. Now we have US interest rate tomorrow for the US dollar, and that is going to be a very big news event. I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event, so we can reevaluate everything at that time. So definitely make sure you stop in for that. Hopefully, we'll see some pretty nice setups on some of these dollar pairs, or maybe even the yen pairs or gold or something. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.